Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic for all you Airbnb hosts and property enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the 5 compelling reasons why including a floor plan in your Airbnb listing can make a significant difference. 5 good reasons to include a floor plan in your Airbnb listing. The use of 2D and 3D floor plans on Airbnb when renting accommodation has undeniable advantages. Visual clarity. 2D and 3D floor plans provide guests with a clear understanding of the structure and layout of the space. This helps avoid misunderstandings and creates a more transparent perception of the rental property. Time savings for guests. Detailed plans expedite the decision-making process for guests. They can quickly assess whether the accommodation meets their needs, saving time in the selection and booking process. Builds trust. Providing 2D and 3D floor plans creates an impression of trust. Guests see that hosts are open and willing to share detailed information about their property, influencing the level of comfort and confidence during booking. Maximum information. Floor plans help convey maximum information about the space, including room sizes and their layout. This is particularly important for guests evaluating rental properties in unfamiliar locations. Easier planning. Guests can plan their stay more easily using 2D and 3D floor plans. This allows them to choose the most convenient accommodation options and adapt the space to their needs. The use of 2D and 3D floor plans on Airbnb becomes a key factor in improving the guest experience and creating a more efficient and convenient booking process. Our artificial intelligence at Getfloorplan creates 2D and 3D plans in just 24 hours for only $13. Using the promo code, the cost is $13. Make your first order with a 35% discount. Use promo code GETSTART. And don't forget to share your feedback in the comments section below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments and innovative design ideas. Thank you for choosing Getfloorplan, your path to the perfect home.